Sparks are flying between Faith and Khulubuse. He asked her on a date and she agreed to go out with him. Ona is trending. She's the cover girl and everyone is celebrating her while Unawa feels left out because she didn't thank him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zide. So Khulubuse sent a bunch of flowers to Faith's house. Nkosi is like, what's happening in here? Why is Valela? Why are you hiding? Are you hiding a man? Not to Faith. How can I bring a man over here? To so you call in daughter. They laugh about it and then they go they celebrate Ona. Ona is a cover girl and she's trending and everyone's just like, this is great, this is big. But we celebrate manje. Faith, Ona is always humble, saying, no, I'm not a celebrity. What are Faith? That's yay. You deserve this. Own it. And then Family Guy Ona, they're also celebrating her. Sham little sis is so happy. Tabile, hey, she's very proud of her sister, even the dad. And stepmom also. No, even the girl who's always jealous, Mampo. And then even at work, they're celebrating Ona. And then Mampo, the jealous one, asked Una, she thanked everyone. She even thanked Faith in the interview, but she didn't mention you at all. How are you doing? Now they're laughing at him, but he brushes them off, saying that Nali Ona was solid. This does not validate anything. But then it actually got to him because he went on and asked Ona Hori, you thanked everyone except me? Ona's like, you know what, with those interviews, like my mind was all over the place. I did not even notice. I just want you to know that you've played a big part in my career and you matter to me, okay? She apologizes. And then Faith speaks to Laz. Laz is like, you know what, I can see what's going on between you and Khulubuse. But Faith is like, yo, Khulubuse, okay, have you seen how the man looks? He's so handsome. Obviously, there's a queue of ladies. I don't want that in my life. I don't want to be part of that queue. Khulubuse comes over to see Faith. Kanzi, unannounced, while this girl was busy going on asking Laz what's happening with Faith no Khulubuse, he shows up unannounced without an appointment coming to see Faith. Laz was like, guy, you can always come when you're your biggest clients because she knows what's going on. Khulubuse goes to see Faith, telling her that she's asking her on a date actually. He wants to take her out. Faith is like, Khulubuse is like, you know what, Faith? I know I'm not going to stop asking you. Faith then agrees and says we can go out tomorrow. Agasa Blashu girl, she's just weak on her knees. Like Khulubuse has just swept her off her feet. You can just see the man is fine. Sonje, butterflies. And then this Musa guy, Caesar's pushed him too far. Hey, he calls the guy that they're supplying the cars with, Antonio, and pitches Wuti, can I just supply you directly? And I wonder if this guy is going to agree to this. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.